Today I'm going to share a makeup which can be done in 5 minutes. First of all, I will apply hydrating foundation primer from Makeup Forever just after my skincare prep. I choose liquid powder mineral foundation to cover my uneven skin tone. Start applying from the center of the face and blend it outwards. You can use flat top foundation brush to buff the foundation really well into the skin. Don't forget the neck area, as you don't want your face to look differently than your neck. By doing so, blend the excess foundation down to the neck area. Thank you for this wonderful creation, the concealer. It helps to cover dark eye circles and blemishes. So now start with eye makeup. You first want to use an eyeshadow primer. You can rest assured your eyes makeup will stay in place all day. For eyeshadow, I'm using Sweet Peach Eye Palette by Too Faced. First color that I apply is Luscious, a lighter and shimmer color on your eyelids. Then, choose a darker color as contour shade and applying near to your lashes. Then, curl your lashes. Use your favorite mascara to apply top and bottom lashes. To make your eyes look more defined and dramatic, try lining your top waterline with waterproof eyeliner. Softly redefine your eyebrows. Choose the color that best matches your brows and fill in really lightly. Remember to smile when applying your blush. Apply loose powder over the face evenly to set your makeup so that you look as fresh at the end of the day. Choose your favorite lipstick to go with your makeup. You can apply lipstick directly from the tube or use a lipstick brush for more precision. Finish off with Look Young Hydrating Face Mist to set your makeup. This is what I always do after applying my face mist. Hope you enjoy my video. If you like it, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, my gorgeous.